Today, we are going to see how to set up a live chat option for your blog or website. It is a very simple way to set up a live chat option. So many people request me to show this trick. That's why I am showing this today. So let's get started. We will set up a live chat option on this blog or website. Now you are seeing that there is no live chat option on this website. After setup, we will see an option for a live chat. So let's get started with the processing. First we need to go to a website named Talk.to. Now we need to create an account on this website. Click the sign up button. After that, enter your name. It will be shown on the chatting page. You can also use admin. Then enter your valid email address. And last, enter a password. Now check all the information. And then click sign up for free button. You need to select the language on this screen that you want to use. After selecting, click create property button. In this screen, you need to fill out the form with the site name, site URL, and site widget name. After that, click the next button. And then, click the install button. And then, you need to copy this code. After copying, you need to input it before the body tag end of your theme HTML code. So let's input the code of theme HTML code. Click anywhere of the HTML code, then press Ctrl+F. Then the search option will appear. Write end body tag and press enter from your keyboard. You will see the end body tag. Then paste the code before closing the body tag. After pasting, click the Save button. And then click the Done button. All process is done. So, let's see. Click the reload button. And we are seeing that finally, a live chat option is visible. Let's check it. Send a message from the chat option, and you will see it on your top dashboard. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.